If you are looking to remove duplicate MBOX emails easily and quickly,
then try SysTools MBOX Duplicate Remover tool that automatically scans and deletes duplicate emails from MBOX files with complete accuracy.
Let's discuss key features first. Multiple removal actions. Delete, move, flag, or mark duplicate emails as expired. Dual deduplication modes. Remove duplicates within or across MBOX files. Smart filters. Filter duplicates by properties, categories, and date range. Wide support and reports. Supports 20+ clients and generates instant CSV reports. To download the software, open Google and search for SysTools MBOX Duplicate Remover tool. Now click on the first link. Now click on the Download button. Once downloaded, simply install the SysTools MBOX Duplicate Remover tool on your system. This is the interface of the SysTools MBOX Duplicate Remover tool. First, you need to add the MBOX files. On the right side, you will see two options. The first option is Add File, which allows you to add single or multiple MBOX files. The second option is Add Folder. This option scans your selected folder or drive and automatically fetches all the MBOX files available inside it. For now, we will proceed with the Add File option. In the new window, browse and select your MBOX files. Finally, click on the Open button. In the Selected Path column, you can view all the added MBOX files along with their file paths. On the right side, the Size column displays the size of each MBOX file. After adding the files, two additional options become available. Select any file to proceed. The first option is Remove, which allows you to delete the selected MBOX files from the list. The second option is Remove All, which clears all the MBOX files from the list, allowing you to add new ones. Below, you will find the Select Destination Path option, which allows you to choose where the output files will be saved. By default, the desktop is selected, but you can change the location by clicking the Change button on the right. Now, click on Next to proceed further. In the Duplicate Removal Options section, you will find two choices. The first option is Within MBOX Files, which removes duplicate items within each individual MBOX file. The second option is Across MBOX Files, which compares all the selected MBOX files and removes duplicates across them. We will proceed with the Across MBOX Files option since we have multiple MBOX files. However, users can select the option based on their specific requirements. Below, in the Select Properties to Find Duplicates section, you can choose or uncheck the email attributes based on which you want to identify duplicates. It offers multiple properties such as subject, mail body, attachments, recipient name, Internet Message ID, sender name, to, sender email, transport message header, billing information, sent date, from, CC, and BCC. In the Choose Actions section, you can decide how you want to handle duplicate items. There are several options available. The first is Delete Permanently, which removes duplicate emails completely. The second option is Put Flag, which marks duplicate emails with a flag so you can review and delete them later if needed. The third option is Make Expire, which marks the duplicate emails as expired. The fourth option is Move to a new MBOX file, which transfers all duplicate emails to a separate MBOX file. We will proceed with the default option, Delete Permanently, though users can choose any option based on their requirements. Below, you will find the Date Filter for Duplication option, which allows you to apply a date range. Simply set the start and end dates, and the software will remove duplicates only within that selected period. You can add the date range by clicking on the Add button. Now that all configurations are set, it's time to start the process. Click on the Remove Duplicates button below to begin. The processing time may vary depending on the size and complexity of the data. Once the duplicate removal process is complete, click OK to continue. In the Success Count column, you can view the total number of emails processed. On the right, the Duplicate Count column shows how many duplicate emails have been removed. Now, click on the View Report button at the bottom. This will redirect you to the destination location. There you will find the export report along with all the MBOX files without duplicate emails. That's it. This is how you can remove duplicates from MBOX files using the SysTools MBOX Duplicate Remover tool. Visit the product page for more details and to purchase the tool. For any queries, contact us at support@systoolsgroup.com.